Hi, I am Subhashini. In today's world, manufacturing companies like Samsung, Signify, Hyundai, Tata Motors, and Mahindra run on two powerful engines, digital teams and R&D teams. Both are critical teams. Let's understand the difference in what these teams do. Digital teams are the people who make factories smart, connected, and data driven. They take old style manufacturing and transform it using technology. They deploy AI to detect defects in real time, optimize machine performance, and predict equipment failures before they happen. They bring in IoT sensors, automation, and systems that allow machines to talk to each other. They create digital twins, virtual versions of physical production lines for safe testing and optimization. They use AI to detect defects, predict failures, and reduce downtime. They create digital twins, virtual replicas of the entire production line that can be tested and optimized safely. Digital teams upskill employees so humans and machines can collaborate, a key element of Industry 5. R&D teams, on the other hand, are creators. They design and develop the next generation of products, materials, and technologies. They build prototypes, test them in crash labs and wind tunnels, and refine everything from engines and batteries to chips and optics. They test prototypes through crash tests, wind tunnels, stress labs, and endurance rigs. They also file patents, collaborate with universities, and ensure new products meet global safety and regulatory standards. So here's the simple difference. Digital teams make the factory smarter. They often work in the present and near future. R&D teams make the product smarter. They work on the next versions of products and processes. Both are essential. One transforms the manufacturing process, the other builds the future of the company. When both teams work together, manufacturers become faster, safer, greener, and unstoppable. Which team would you want to work in? Do leave a comment.